Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have the Avantree HT4189 wireless headphones and transmitter set. What's great about these headphones is that there's no pairing required, there's no lip sync delay, there's optical support, and these wireless headphones offer up to 40 hours of playtime. So if you enjoy watching TV, playing video games, or listening to music, and you don't want to disturb the people around you, then these headphones are for you. Let's see what comes inside the box. You get one user guide. That's the first thing you see when you open the box. Next is the transmitter and the headphones. Let's go over the transmitter first. Here is your charging port and USB audio input. This is your optical audio jack. Next you have your aux audio jack. And finally you have your on and off switch. On the front of the transmitter you have your input indicators, your button A for first headphone and speaker, your Bluetooth status indicators, and button B for your second headphone and speakers. And here are the headphones, the main attraction. We'll get back to these later. Up next is a bag full of cables. In the bag you get two micro USB power cables, one 3.5mm to RCA audio cable, one 3.5mm audio cable, and one optical audio cable. Alright, that's everything inside the box. Now let's get back to the headphones and talk about the design. To me, I think the design looks really nice and elegant. I like the stitching. I like the copper and black combination. It feels nice and soft and plush. The ear cups do not fold, but they move back and forth. The wireless headphones do stretch to accommodate your head size. This is where you insert your micro USB power cables and your other audio cables. Here is your multifunction button and your microphone and where you can adjust the volume. Alright, that's everything inside the box. Now it's time to charge these headphones up and go over the setup process and the sound quality. These headphones take about 3.5 hours to charge. And let me point out that they transmit audio signals for up to 100 feet. Alright, so I'm going to use this TV right here. I'm using our Roku TV. We did a video on this TV. I'll put a link below in the description box. It's very simple to set up the transmitter to the TV. You can see the headphones icon in the upper right hand corner. And now let's talk about the sound quality because I hear some sound coming through. Alright, so at first the volume sounded a little low, so I just adjusted the volume on the headphones. I used the plus or minus sign to adjust the volume. As you can see, I'm watching wrestling right now and so far they sound pretty good. I hear the audience cheering, I hear the entrance music, and I hear the announcers talking. Everything sounds clear and accurate and distinct. There's no lag, and as far as comfort goes, they feel really nice and comfortable on my head. So this TV is actually in the baby's room, and so this is great. So like when the baby is taking a nap, I can actually hook these headphones up to the TV and watch my favorite show while the baby is sleeping. These headphones cost around $100 and they beat my expectations. They sound really good. Again, these headphones are perfect for video games, watching TV, and listening to music. If you are in the market for a pair of wireless headphones, I think these are great. They're hassle-free wireless TV headphones. So if this is something you're interested in, I will definitely put an Amazon link down below for you in the description box. I hope you enjoyed that video. That was a look at the HT4189 wireless headphone transmitter set by Avantree. Comment, like, and share this video. We appreciate your feedback. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.